a charge from Mr. John Martin Davis.
Yes, Your Worship.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. That an assigned convict in your service did, on or about the 1st of January this year, steal from your store a bottle of wine. Is this the servant in question?
Yes, Your Worship.
How do you plead, young lady?
Not guilty, Your Worship.
Mr. Davis, would you relate the accounts of the afternoon in question to the court?
Yes, Your Worship. I ordered the prisoner to place a bottle of wine on the sideboard ahead of the celebrations we were due to be having that evening. Later, as I sat on my veranda, I observed the prisoner passing to her bedroom with something concealed under her clothing. Following, shortly thereafter, I heard the sound of what could only be produced by a hard body hitting the floor, upon which I entered the prisoner's bedroom. Under her bed, I discovered the bottle of wine in question, Your Worship.
I see. Prisoner, what do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know how it got there, Your Worship. Honest, I don't. I've worked for Mr. Davis for 3 years, and I've always been a good servant, I have. And I've never given him no trouble neither.
Mr. Davis, where do you keep the keys for the sideboard?
Hanging on my wall in my corridor.
In a location where a servant may easily access them?
Yes, Your Worship.
Mr. Davis, masters who heedlessly place temptation by way of their assigned servants by an incautious exposure of their property are much to blame and are morally accountable for the evil consequences that might follow such negligent conduct. Case dismissed. Next!